Welcome to our channel. Today, we're comparing two of AMD's latest flagship processors, the Ryzen 99950X3D and the Ryzen 99900X3D. These processors are designed for gamers and professionals alike, boasting impressive specifications and cutting-edge technology. In this video, we'll examine their core counts, thermal design power, and pricing to help you decide which one is right for you. Let's get started. The AMD Ryzen 99950X3D features a staggering 16 cores and 32 threads, making it an ideal choice for heavy multitasking and demanding applications. In contrast, the Ryzen 99900X3D offers 12 cores and 24 threads, which is still impressive but may not handle extreme workloads as effectively. For gamers, the difference in core count may not significantly impact performance, but for content creators and professionals, the additional cores of the 9950X3D can provide a noticeable advantage. When it comes to thermal design power, the Ryzen 99950X3D has a TDP of 170 watts, which means it requires robust cooling solutions to maintain optimal performance. On the other hand, the Ryzen 99900X3D operates at a more manageable 120 watts, making it easier to cool and more energy efficient. This difference in power draw can significantly affect your system's overall thermal management and energy consumption, especially for those building compact or quieter setups. Price is always a crucial factor when choosing a processor. The AMD Ryzen 99950X3D comes with a premium price tag of $699, reflecting its high-end capabilities. In contrast, the Ryzen 99900X3D is priced at $599, offering excellent value for those who want strong performance without breaking the bank. For most gamers, the 9900X3D provides a compelling balance of performance and cost, making it a more attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 99950X3D and the Ryzen 99900X3D offer exceptional performance for gamers and professionals. The 9950X3D excels in multi-threaded tasks with its higher core count, while the 9900X3D provides excellent value and efficiency. Depending on your needs and budget, either processor could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.